I had almost forgotten how rotted out and dirty this back bunk area was. I used this high performance enamel spray to get all the tight spots and vertical walls. With the amount of rotten wood under the batteries, I had to add treated plywood to both sides. I used liquid nails and then additional stainless steel screws to secure the new wood. The new plywood, along with the bilge area, are all painted with 2 coats using this very durable enamel paint. Went through 3 gallons of this paint, finishing this bunk area and all of the decking. Even cleaned up the gas tank. Testing out the new bunk lights. Upgraded all the electrical wiring. Here is a view all cleaned up before the bench and decking are in. A view behind the live well. Ready for the water.